Hello everyone, and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you guys how to get whitelisted for a project on Discord. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. So let's start. What is a whitelist? A whitelist is the process that explicitly allows an identified vault address to access a certain privilege for a specific NFT project. If you've ever used an NFT launchpad, I'm sure you've seen whitelist allocations so far. So for example, on Magic Eden, you can see Immoral Kids project has 5,000 characters and they are selling nearly all of them to the whitelisted members. Whitelists allow you to buy an NFT for a cheaper price than its public price. And one of the biggest examples for this is OK Beers. Whitelisted members got their OK Beers for 2 Solanas, and you can see the floor price is now 127 Solana as of now. So after learning all these facts, how to get whitelisted? So every project has a Discord server, and on their Discord server they have specific channels which they tell you how you can get whitelisted. It usually involves being an active member of the community of the specific project. So first step is to check out their Discord and do as they say. As you can see here, I've just opened a random project and showing you their how to whitelist channel. There are different conditions you have to take into account for each different project. So for example, Meta League project wants you to invite 5 real people to the Discord server, reach a level 5 minimum, post a tweet about the project and fill the form. But it differs when you join different projects' Discord servers. So first step is to check their how to whitelist channel and do as they say. But sometimes, even if you're willing to do what it takes, you might be too late. The earlier you start doing this, the higher chance you have to get whitelisted. So for this, you can use different websites such as Magic Eden and Rarity Sniper. You can find our tutorial videos about Magic Eden and Rarity Sniper from the cards. You can use NFT News and NFT Drops calendar on Rarity Sniper to learn about upcoming NFT projects before anyone else. And also use Magic Eden for upcoming NFT launchpads. Third and the last tip is to have fun. Project mods and teams usually don't like hearing people when whitelist all the time. So just do your research, pick a project, join their Discord server, check the specific channel to learn how to get whitelisted and have fun. Just talk with people, be as active as you can. I definitely suggest you to join their game activities and make some fan arts for the project because it increases your chance to get a whitelist. And also subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram because we share some free whitelists from time to time. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. It was a quick video, but I felt this video was needed because most of the people keep asking how to get a whitelist from the projects before the launch day. So if you're seeing a project and how to get a whitelist before launch day, it means you don't know how the system works. You need to hear about a project nearly at least a month ago in order to stand the chance to get a whitelist. And as I said, definitely check out our Instagram page and follow our other social media accounts because we share some free whitelists from time to time. You can just enter our giveaways and get whitelists for free. You can just skip all the steps that I just talked about in this video. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.